Year 7, we've just done an investigation where we've measured some angles around a point. What we should have discovered if we measured accurately is that when you add those angles up, they add to 360 degrees. When you see this idea, angles at a point, they add to 360 degrees because you're basically doing a whole revolution around. So that's what it should add to. The second thing we discovered is that when you have angles that are opposite each other, they're actually equal. So in this case, A equals C, B equals D. Now, Year 7, one of the things I want to say, when it comes to angles, look at what is in front of you. If you're going to use the idea that two angles are equal, look, do they look the same? If they look the same, there's a good chance they are the same. So in this case, B equals D and A equals C. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angles at a point add to 360. Let's have a look at two very quick examples that we need to look at. So the first example, find the value of the pronumeral. I have here y and I need to find the value of it. We're going to use angles at a point which add to 360, but I don't have a number here. What should my number here be? What symbol have I got there? 90 degrees. Good work. So, what I should be able to see is that y plus 60 plus 90 equals 360 degrees because they're angles at a point. All right? So when I add those three together, it should equal 360. If I work backwards and I say let's actually simplify it a bit first. So I've actually got y plus 150 equals 360. I then take 150 away from both sides to keep it balanced. All right, and then y, 360 minus 150 is 210 degrees. That makes it really easy to find. Second question asked me to find the value of the pronumeral. These two are vertically opposite. These two are vertically opposite. Now, as you go forward in maths, they don't want you just to give the number. I've been telling you for a long time you need to show working. Now we also need to give reasons. So if I come back to this one, in brackets, you actually need to write angles at a point. Add to 360 degrees.
Yes, buddy.
For this one, straight away you should be able to see K is equal to 130, but we need to give a reason. Vertically, and you can shorten it, mathematicians love shortening things, opposite angles, I'll let you use the symbol, are equal. All right? Same thing when it comes to this one. M is equal to 50 degrees, it's pretty obvious. And reason, again, vertically opposite angles are equal. As time goes forward, Year 7, in life, you know, when someone asks you to do something or asks you why you did something, it's not just what you did, it's why did you do it. We want to know how you can justify what you got to. You need to start giving reasons. So don't just tell me the number. This could be worth 3 marks. Working, answer, reason. Don't just stop with, oh, I got the number, I can move on. No. You need to give the evidence for what you've got. Same with this. The workings, finding the number is really easy, but you need to give a reason. And so to make sure we do that, we're going to get in now and we're going to practice, practice, practice.